go that way, okay? Okay, so when I say 3, you folks start the wave, okay? Ready? 3. Okay, that was really bad, so we're gonna do this
Wait a
again.
minute, Renee. Wait,
That was a shore break. That wasn't a wave.
no, that wasn't really bad. That really sucked, okay? Let's get it together and get the wave going. Are we ready to do the wave, everybody? Let me see it. Yeah! Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, that was better.
That was
Much
better. That was
much
better.
That was really good.
That was your first chance, okay?
Okay.
But
Okay.
we'll come back to you, so you had a little practice. But we're going to move on to our next contestants here.
Numbers 91 and 93, Bahine, ages 12 to 16. Judges are ready and drummers, let's hit it.
And there you have it, our last 2 finalists in the age category of 12 to 16, numbers 91 and 93. Another great big round of applause for all of our finalists in this age category. A job well done, lovely ladies. Make sure our judges can see your number. And smile to your audience, wave to them girls, and you may exit to your left. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Now we gave you a chance.